Chapter 1.3, Contemporary Psychology. Major perspectives in psychology. Biological perspective emphasizes studying the physical basis of human and animal behavior, including the nervous system, endocrine system, immune system, and genetics. A psychodynamic perspective emphasizes the importance of unconscious influences, early life experiences, and interpersonal relationships. The behavioral perspective emphasizes how behavior is acquired or modified by environmental causes. The humanistic perspective focuses on the motivation of people to grow psychologically, the influence of interpersonal relationships on a person's self-concept, and the importance of choice and self-direction in striving to reach one's potential. The cognitive perspective focuses on the important role of mental processes and how people process and remember information, develop language, solve problems, and think. The cross-cultural perspective, embodied in cross-cultural psychology, studies the differences among cultures and the influences of culture on behavior. Culture refers to the attitudes, beliefs, values, and behaviors shared by a group of people and communicated from one generation to another. The tendency to use your own culture as the standard for judging other cultures is called ethnocentrism. Individualistic cultures emphasize the needs and goals of the individual over the needs and goals of the group. Collectivistic cultures emphasize the needs and goals of the group over the needs and goals of the individual. Evolutionary psychology refers to the application of the principles of evolution to explain psychological processes and phenomena. This perspective has grown out of a renewed interest in Charles Darwin's theory of evolution, which is based upon the principle of natural selection. Contemporary psychology enjoys enormous diversity. Important specialty areas include biological psychology, cognitive psychology, forensic psychology, experimental psychology, developmental psychology, social psychology, personality psychology, health psychology, educational psychology, school psychology, industrial organizational psychology, clinical psychology, and counseling psychology. Mental health professionals. Clinical psychologists typically have a doctorate in psychology and training in treating psychological disorders.